You okay, Arjun? You okay, Arjun?
I'm stuck.
On the new plan?
I'm stuck.
On the new plan?
Yes. Numbers feel wrong.
What's bothering you most?
Yes. Numbers feel wrong.
What's bothering you most?
Our targets, they seem too high.
We can adjust.
Our targets, they seem too high.
We can adjust.
But the team trusts me.
Trust grows with time.
But the team trusts me.
Trust grows with time.
I don't want to fail them.
Failure is a lesson.
I don't want to fail them.
Failure is a lesson.
I admit, I'm scared.
Scared is okay.
I admit, I'm scared.
Scared is okay.
I want to look confident.
You look fine.
I want to look confident.
You look fine.
I don't feel fine.
Let's break it down.
I don't feel fine.
Let's break it down.
How?
Start small. One issue at a time.
How?
Start small. One issue at a time.
Like what?
First, budget. Second, timeline. Third, scope.
Like what?
First, budget. Second, timeline. Third, scope.
That makes sense.
I'll draft a budget sheet.
That makes sense.
I'll draft a budget sheet.
Good. Then I analyze.
And I'll review your draft.
Good. Then I analyze.
And I'll review your draft.
Team meeting after?
Yes. We'll present together.
Team meeting after?
Yes. We'll present together.
Thank you, Raj.
Anytime, boss.
Thank you, Raj.
Anytime, boss.
I mean Arjun.
I know.
I mean Arjun.
I know.
I feel better already.
Step by step.
I feel better already.
Step by step.
I'll step down now.
Let's head to the office.
I'll step down now.
Let's head to the office.
Together. Together.